Hi guys, today we're going to be playing roller keycap. So, let's start. Oh, our first keycap. Number 2. Okay, we'll buy more. I'm just going to buy that. Okay, I got a lot of keycaps. Oh, a donut. I got a dumpling keycap. That's really cool. Oops, sorry, look, it's spending all my money. Did I just spend all my money and got none? Roller keycap. Ooh. Ooh, this is cool. Stolen. I'll take that. Free. 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 Nice. Anyways, about that. So, yeah, I've got a pretty good keycap collection. And today, the goal is basically get the most nice keycaps, fill it all in with nice keycaps. So, why not start with this? And this, and some more money. That's enough. Auto roll. Oh, that's Roblox. I'm broke. E. E-I-E-R. Yes, I'm so broke. Oh, a pyramid. That's cool. Not enough. Oh, it says some claim some money here. Thank you. First, I want to buy my pyramid. Oh, I didn't know this was a thing. Ooh. Can I roll? I'm gonna skip that one. Cool pink. Ooh. Apply. We actually need some more keycaps. Okay. Ooh, cactus. I get it. So all the boring keycaps, all of these ones, like the ones that I like, just different colours with nothing on top, we swap with this. Now I've got to do ASMR. You cannot tell me that doesn't sound good. Piggy. I want that pig. Have to do some more ASMR. Okay, we did some ASMR. Now we can get our piggy. Just make sure not to like ruin the other keycaps that you've already posted. My piggy keycap better come back. Yeah, you better. Just gonna buy a few of them and get that. Mulberry. Ooh, a pink dumpling. Purple, I mean. Spin. Oh, thank you. And then the way we're moving. Oh my god, that was so slow. What? God, this is a nice event. It gives us 2x money. This is a good event. The music's pretty well good as well. For now, I'm just going to turn this music off for a bit so I can actually talk. Okay, I'll put it back in a minute. So, I'm getting a lot of money from this event because it gives you 2x cash, as you can see here at the top, the Funk event. So yeah, I'm just buying like most of the keycaps with the money I'm getting, but I'll let you enjoy the music now. Speed it up, because this is going to be a long time. Oh, and you can read that. Oh, capybara! God, that's enough music now. The front vent is still on, but I cannot bother to listen to it anymore. Just listen to my ASMR. It's really, really good. Don't want any more of them. They're a waste of my time. Let's roll. Oh, nice. Oh. Ten more seconds of it. Finally, the event's over. God, I couldn't stand that event. Okay. So as I bought some keycaps, I've got a lot of keycaps. So now we're gonna roll this and see which ones we get. Oh, it's like this bubble wrap looking one. Item shop. Okay, that was cool. Yeah, I accidentally deleted mine, I think. Okay, next event in 8 minutes. Better not be that aura farming event or I will turn off that sound. I couldn't listen to it anymore. Okay, what should I do now? I can't afford it. God, I've been playing this game for so long. So sit back, get your popcorn, because this is probably going to be a very long time. My God, my neck hurts. Roll. Ooh, basic rocker ball. It's pretty cool. I'll take it. Quite cool. Let's roll some keycaps. We need to have good keycaps. Let me skip to when I get a good key. Okay, so I may or may not. I've kind of wasted some time. Try this keycap. I'm gonna apply this over. Watermelon here. Now amethyst. There. Just keep spinning. I mean rolling. all pink. We've got millions of these, but I don't care. Oh, it equips it for you. Could have done that all the time. Why are they also trash? That's it. Better get something to look at. That's it, I'm taking it. Oh, a star. Okay. One off another one. I guess I could have a cactus. Let's just hope it's not going over all my beautiful keycaps. Let's hope it's filling in the bottom ones. Yep, kinda is. Just got a few more that are like rubbish colour. Okay, donut. I'll be back when I've got. Okay, I did some. I think we just got IPM on this and R and K and that arrow that I like not got anything good on it. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, hi, thank you. See ya. Okay. Girl. Oh, please. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Oh, thanks. You're welcome. At this point, I'm just gonna collect them. God, I know I said I'll do more, but this is enough. It's been 20 minutes. Okay, listen to my ASMR. Bye guys, like and subscribe for more.